right, welcome back. You may be wondering about the recent Amazon lifting its restrictions and then imposing inventory restrictions on quantity. If that's you, if you're a current Amazon seller and you're sort of wondering, specifics, what are they doing, then stay with me. We'll be back in a second.
My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family.
Good to have you back. All right, so if you're selling on Amazon, specifically the US and Europe, then you notice that I think it was in late March that they removed the ability to create new shipping plans for SKUs that were non-essential, right? So that was reversed ever so slightly on the 5th of April. And they're allowing more SKUs to come to market. And just recently, they've lifted it even more, and people can actually create shipping plans for their products now to stock in the Amazon FBA warehouses in Europe and in USA. However, there is a big catch to that. Many of the SKUs, multiple SKUs, should I say, multiple product lines, they are limited to 50 units, all right? So what this means for you is there are alternatives. You don't necessarily need to stock at the Amazon warehouse, but there's ways around that, okay? So if you are affected and you're trying to create a shipment plan or send more products to your Amazon warehouse in either Europe or America, then you need to either do on a just-in-time inventory, which is getting harder and harder, especially with China and the delays and delays of shipping and flights. You probably realize that there's a few delays here and there. Or the other alternative is to stock in a nearby warehouse, a third-party logistic company or 3PL or another fulfillment center house that are all around the US, that are all around Europe. You can get fulfillment centers pretty much in every country around the world, and you could either do it on an FBM model where you are selling on Amazon and they are fulfilled via the warehouse, or you are doing it via Amazon FBA, and you just basically, when you need to replenish, you send it from the fulfillment center to the Amazon warehouse. All right, so they're the answers. Hopefully that helped you. If you want to ramp up your sales, if you're currently a seller, or you're maybe looking to be a seller and you're looking for basically coaching, some guidance, give us a call in the office, 02-8003-7534. Numbers on the screen. We have clients all around Australia, New Zealand, and the US. I would love to help you and get started, up and running, and scale your Amazon business. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now. See you later.